Hey there, it's Elliot here. You're probably here because of that MDM lock, right? Maybe you've already tried a few sketchy services or random software online that promised quick fixes. Spoiler alert, most of those either charge a fee or just don't work. But don't worry, because there's actually a safer, completely free way to remove that restriction no matter what iOS version you're on. In this video, I'm walking you through real methods to bypass that MDM lock on your iPhone or iPad, so you can get back in control without all the hassle. This information is strictly for responsible use, meant for those who own their device but may have forgotten their access info. We don't support bypassing security on stolen devices. Please respect the law and others' rights. Our video follows YouTube's guidelines and community standards. Now, let's get started. You may have come across a few options online that claim to help with MDM lock removal, but finding something reliable, safe, and straightforward is a real challenge. A lot of methods out there either charge way too much or leave you stuck halfway through the process. This is where Unlock Here's AI-powered unlocking web app stands out. It's built specifically for this purpose and makes the entire process much easier, no matter which iOS version you're dealing with. Plus, it's designed for people who legally own their devices and just need a simple, effective solution to bypass that lock. With this app, you don't need to mess around with complex setups or shady downloads. Everything is handled right through the web. So let's dive in and see exactly how Unlock Here's AI Unlocking Assistant works to make things a whole lot smoother. To get started, open up your browser on either your phone or computer and head to unlockhere.com. It's a web app powered by AI that specializes in removing mobile restrictions, including MDM locks. Once you're on the site, you'll be introduced to an AI bot named Nifty who'll guide you through each step. Go ahead and select Remove MDM Lock as your option. Next, choose your device type, whether it's an iPhone or an iPad. When prompted, enter the IMEI or serial number. If you're on an iPhone, you'll want to use the IMEI. Some iPads, especially those with a SIM card slot, also have an IMEI, but most iPads only come with a serial number. To find your device information, press the sleep button on your locked device, then tap on the I in the bottom right corner where you'll see the IMEI or serial number. After inputting your device's information, make sure to enter your own basic info accurately to link the order to your account so you can receive the confirmation email. Using accurate information is essential to receive confirmation. Once done, agree to the terms and verify that your intent is legal, confirming that you're not unlocking a stolen device. Now, tap Start Process, complete the CAPTCHA to show you're human, and proceed. Shortly after, you'll receive an email with a confirmation code. If it doesn't appear right away, check your spam or junk folder just in case. Once you have the code, copy it, return to the website, and enter it in the designated area. Confirm once again that you're not a robot, and the unlock process will begin, freeing your device from the MDM lock. As you can see, we're now going through the usual setup process after unlocking the device. Typically, if the MDM lock were still present, you'd encounter a remote management screen right after connecting to Wi-Fi. However, in this case, that screen doesn't appear, which confirms that the MDM lock has been completely removed. Now, this unlock allows you full access to your device. You can update it, reset it, and use it just like a brand new phone without restrictions. This service is a permanent solution, meaning you won't have to worry about the lock coming back. There are temporary bypass options which are cheaper, but this method guarantees a full and lasting unlock. Next, we're verifying everything by checking the serial number to ensure that it's been properly unlocked. All right, let's look at a few more legal and safe ways to handle that MDM lock issue. If you're looking to bypass MDM restrictions, it's typically because you've got a device where a previous organization or employer set up the lock. So to make things easy and keep it all above board, Unlock Here's AI Unlocking Assistant is a solid option. This service works for all iOS devices and is incredibly user-friendly. No complicated steps, no hidden fees, just a straightforward process that keeps your device restriction-free once the lock is removed. For anyone looking for a hassle-free way to manage MDM, this is one of the best options out there. Just a heads up though, the Unlock services are available only in first world countries. If you can't access them or prefer not to use them, we're offering 250 free unlocks each week for viewers who watch our videos. To enter, simply like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment your iPhone model, your IMEI, and your country. Once you've done that, you're automatically entered. Thanks for watching. If this worked for you, or if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more guides and tips, and hit the like button if you found this helpful. Turn on those notifications so you're the first to catch our latest videos. See you next time.